Hi, I'm Yaswanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to suggest a roadmap to become a digital marketer in 2022. So digital marketing is a booming area. So it is undoubtedly one of the hottest area where people are looking to land into. But there is a question like how to become a digital marketer. Is it really easy to become a digital marketer? If I become a digital marketer, what will be my career look like? So I will clear all your doubts in this video. Let's get into the video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So in this channel, you will get content on passive income tips, digital marketing, programming, latest technology, personal finance and investments, and many more, which will be useful for you in your career. The prerequisites for becoming a digital marketer are you should be good in communication skills. So communication skills in the sense you should be able to communicate with others easily. So that is something which is very important because digital marketing is all like you interact with you use the web too, like you use social media to interact with others, to promote someone's brand or to create a brand presence for a particular brand. So whatever it is, you need to interact with others. It is an essential step. So make sure you have good communication skills. Even though you're not an expert in English communication, it's okay, but at least you should be able to communicate with others. You should be able to understand what others are talking about, because you need to involve in content handling, you need to understand various content types. So it's good to have good communication skills. And the other thing is your social media presence. You will not become a digital marketer if you are not in social media. So make sure you are active in all social media platforms. You are aware of how things work in social media. So these are all the two prerequisites before starting to know how to become a digital marketer. Why one should become a digital marketer? What are the opportunities available in digital marketing space? So there are various opportunities available in digital marketing space. So because if a brand is not in online, then ultimately the brand will not grow. It is thing that companies are focusing nowadays. So that is the reason why digital marketing suddenly comes into demand, because in this internet world, every individual has now the access to internet. So everyone can able to browse anything on the internet. Then the best way to target customers and the best way to improve your business is by having an active social media and internet presence. So digital marketing is not just sales or not just marketing or not just technologies. It's a combination of everything, using internet and social media to increase your business or to make your business done. That's simply digital marketing. So there are various opportunities, whether it might be search engine optimization, whether it might be social media marketing, paid advertising, content marketing, lot of ways that you can explore in digital marketing. And of course, there are huge number of opportunities in digital space. Every company needs a digital marketing team. Without digital marketing, it is difficult to get profits in any kind of business. So ultimately, companies need digital marketing. Even individuals need digital marketing to prove their presence in social media. And there are huge number of opportunities in this space. The other thing is how to learn digital marketing. So I have made a workshop previously on my YouTube channel. You can find the playlist link in the description. So it is a 10-hour workshop where you can learn everything about digital marketing for free. You don't need to pay a single penny to learn digital marketing. I strongly suggest that 10-hour course is enough for you to master digital marketing. So I have mentioned all the ways and all the different types of digital marketing. I have explained 6 different types of digital marketing, how to get opportunities in digital marketing space and everything. So please find the link in the description, and that course will really help. The other question, how to get a good career in digital marketing. You have the prerequisites, you know what are all the opportunities available in digital marketing, and you have learned digital marketing. Then the other question, how to get a career in digital marketing. The first thing is work on building a strong portfolio. So if you learn digital marketing, the next thing that you need to do is building a portfolio. So whatever the work that you have done, whatever the practice that you have done on digital marketing, make sure you have a portfolio. So I have also mentioned that in my playlist. So how to create a strong portfolio on digital marketing, you can find that. So if you have a strong portfolio, or like I can say, if you have a blog with all your works mentioned, so it will really help you, because it is easy to share your portfolio than a resume, because people will get to know you about everything using your portfolio. Stay active on social media and freelancing space. So whether it might be Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, and other freelancing sites, whatever it might be, always try to apply for freelancing jobs and freelancing gigs. Also write cold email to startups that you can work for them as a freelancer. So this is very important, because once you are experienced with real-time digital marketing, then ultimately you will get a lot of opportunities very easily. This is so much important. and apply to startups for jobs. So write to startups that you can work as a digital marketer to them. It is a very essential. Startups are the ones who look to hire more digital marketers, because digital presence is very important for startups than established MNCs. So always make sure working for a startup as a digital marketer will have a great impact on your career than working for an MNC. And the last thing is books. So it will be good to have some books in your shelf on digital marketing, because referring to the content, referring to any kind of thing about digital marketing will be handy for you. I made a video on books that you need to know, books that you need to have in your shelf for digital marketing. So please find that video and video link in the description. So these are all the steps that you need to follow in order to become a good digital marketer. I hope this video really helped you. If you like this, please like and share this video in your network. Also, if you're a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.